Comrade SG Wandile Hludlu for the response. What you said from what I captured kulokule Shilo ukuthi asiyidzingi imonarchy. Live lethu singatibusela thine without having the monarchy. And I believe onke emaswati afike kuloko. Ngingati ke ukuthi basekhona yini laba sacabanga ukuthi singabambisana nebukhosi. Can I just hand over to Comrade Nosi, who has a question directed to our leaders?
Comrade Lioness, Bonobala, may I take this opportunity, Gunbonga, for taking your time. I can tell Gutsini Bonobala by merit from just the content that you've shared with us, Gule short space of time. My aksigo a question lengnayo gininoy to I picked this up from both of you, Nikulume, the same language. You spoke about emaswati asatsinga kufunziswa ngepolitiki. That is a subject that is very dear to me. That is a subject that is very dear to a lot of Swazis. Siyanicela bonobhala buyelani kuma organizations enu. Even though kukhulunywa ngimi ngiyi-one logo, but I have heard a lot of Swazis bakhuluma nga the very same thing. Sicela nibuyele kuma organizations enu nibacele ukuthi uma nisakhela lama political classes, please tailor make them to emaswati. Please talk to us in a language lestoy understand. I am saying this because I personally come from a very intellectual family with 5 generations. One of your leaders, Babe Kush Loshone, not long ago, he actually inspired me to study law. Good generation yami yasekhaya kune mix ekhaya kithi. We have you name it, we've got it when it comes to Emma political parties. It has taken years and years and years to make the older generation to understand wekuthi yini ipolitiki yaseSwatini. It's because they come with these massive words, with these massive theories, with this massive everything. Even as much as some of us we need to get to the rural areas. We need to get to the bundus. We need to cover every space. You go out there and do this. Just please. We are in language let's see understand. Now, when I say language let's see understand, now, I don't mean if you could say Nkuluma is Swat. But in show you say Swati let's see. But history the way Lenny begging a call. Niyo le politically say it's in our Swat. Take us from there. Take us on what happened when I'm home. I remember December. Nititogele t-shirt yami Swazi Lives Better. My grandma said to him, you know, Smith, send your kid to Lumbus. Not because what he would send your kid to Lumbus, it's because I got an understanding. Kwafuna ukuthi ngihlale naye pass. Angafuna ngiyeke nabokushe sabaxoshela khona la khaya ko baba. Sabaxoshela khona lokhula kete Lumbus. It took me like days and days and days and days, and I took her back to the very same decree. So it's just a comment nesicelo bonobhala akusiso sami ngedvana. We are contacted by a lot of Emaswat. They wanna learn, they wanna have an understanding. Yekelani Lamagama Lamakhulu asiwa understand. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.